Maintain a strict, repeatable routine for equipment hygiene so tools stay effective and last longer. Start by cataloging every piece of equipment and assigning a cleaning frequency based on use and contact with bodily fluids or high-touch surfaces. For manual tools like mops, cloths, and scrub brushes, wash or launder after each use cycle with hot water and detergent, then fully dry before storage to prevent microbial growth. For color-coded systems, keep colors consistent so staff do not mix dirty and clean items. For powered equipment such as vacuums and floor machines, follow manufacturer maintenance schedules including filter changes, belt inspections, and motor housing wipe-downs, and record each service in a simple log so you can spot trends before failures occur. Use appropriate disinfectants on handles, switches, hoses, and other high-touch points, letting contact time elapse per the product directions to achieve kill claims without overusing chemicals. Store personal protective equipment separate from cleaning chemicals in a ventilated, dry cabinet and provide clear signage so staff do not cross-contaminate storage areas. Establish a rotating inventory for consumables so microfiber cloths and mop heads are taken out of service on a timed schedule rather than only when visibly soiled, and track rotation with a tag or bin system to ensure even wear and reliable replacement intervals. The common problem of cross-contamination often comes from reusing cloths or mops across multiple zones, so adopt strict zone assignments and color coding and enforce laundering after each zone use. A second issue is ignoring equipment manufacturer guidance, which shortens equipment life, so keep and follow owner manuals, use only recommended parts, and maintain service logs to show compliance. Third, poor drying and storage leads to odors and microbial growth, so always dry textiles and hollow tools fully and store in a clean ventilated area. If space is limited, use wall mounts or hanging racks to keep items off floors and allow airflow. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like maintaining cleaning programs and equipment hygiene. We help homeowners find local professionals and help contractors find work. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn practical approaches together.